Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a comparison between Whoop and Skool. So, Whoop is more focused on flexible all-in-one platform for entrepreneurs and creators to excel in digital products. And that include courses, etc., while Skool, on the other hand, is focused on helping educators and entrepreneurs monetize their audiences through community and course building. So, yeah, Skool is a community and course building platform founded by Sam Owens and designed to help educators and entrepreneurs monetize their audiences. And both Skool and Whoop are well known for being easy to use, and the onboarding process is very much a part of that. But the difference between Whoop and Skool is that Skool only prioritizes monetizing your audiences, while Whoop is a flexible all-in-one platform that helps you create content, receives payments, and just helps young entrepreneurs and creators make money online. So in my opinion, Whoop is better than Skool because it gives you an all-in-one flexible platform. On the other hand, while Skool only specializes in one thing, that is basically monetizing your audiences. So thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.